It's easy, brother, and it's very interesting. Now, I'll tell you something. Please keep this in mind. I'll be repeating it many times. There are certain verbs, both in English language and in Arabic language, that when you use verb, then you also have to use a preposition. What do you say? I went, and after that, what will you say? To. You have to use to there. Huh? So after Zahaba, what will come? Ila. Ila will come automatically. Because you went to, okay? And Kharaja, you came out. From what? So min will come. Are you with me? So Kharaja min. Zahaba ila. And as I said, brother, those who speak Arabic language from childhood, remember that my example I gave you? The first drop of milk in child's system, the whole Arabic language is transferred. But for us, we have to make an effort. Okay? So slowly we'll get used to it, that we'll have certain verbs and certain prepositions, they come together. All the time you say amana, what's the next thing? Bi. Amana, bi is harf jar, brother. Bi is a preposition, which we are going to learn soon, inshallah. Bi. Amana billahi. See? What is billahi now? If I say bi is harf jar, what is billahi? Jar majroor, mashallah. See, it's easy. What is billahi? Jar majroor. Jar majroor. Fine, brother. Now, ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Answer the following question. But then the answer should come from the text. And Brother Muhammad has been distributing. It's $5 for 3 books, brother. It's very valuable. You should buy it. And you can always check your answers with it. Don't go there first. First you do make an effort, then go there and check how much you have answered correctly. Okay. Min aina anta? Where are you from? Ana min al-Yabani, you can see. Ana min al-Yabani. Dr. Abdurrahim is deliberately using the names of the country which has al in it. All countries do not have al in it. Are you with me? Okay. Al-Yabanu. Okay. As-Sinu. Al-Filipinu. Okay. Al-Hindu. What is Al-Hindu? India. How about Pakistan? Is it Al-Pakistan? No. It's Pakistan. Pakistanu. It's Pakistanu. What about Misr? Is there Al in Misr? No. It's Misru. What about Surya? Nothing Al. What about Urdun? Al-Urdun. Okay? Who did that? It was done in the beginning, brother. Long time ago, and we just follow it. We just follow the way the people of Arab countries have done it centuries ago. Okay? When it comes to China, it's As-Sinu. When it comes to Japan, it's Al-Yabanu. When it comes to India, Al-Hindu. When it comes to Pakistan, Bagistanu. Okay? Bagistanu, not Pakistan. Because there is a problem there is no pa in Arabic language. So what do you think they call Pepsi Cola in Bepsi? Bepsi. And you know what those Indian people say? They don't say Bepsi, they say Bebasi. Okay.
The Arabs are the only people in the world who praise their Lord.
That's correct, yeah. What we have to, go along with them, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters. Min aina anta? Ana min al-Yabani. Okay? When you come to Canada, it's not Al-Canada, it's just Canada. USA is America. Canada. Okay? So, Anta, now see again, A came in the front. Anta min al-Filipini. Are you from Philippines? La. Ana minal Yabani. Ana minal Yabani. Fine, brother. Man minassini. Man minassini. Who is from China? What will be your answer? Brother? Ammaru minassini. Are you with me? Our answer should come from the book. Ammaru minassini. MashaAllah. Good, brother. Min aina hamidun. Min aina hamidun. Where is Hamid from? Now you see, already Hamidun has been used. So what will you use now? Huwa, mashallah. You will now use pronoun. You won't repeat the noun. You will say huwa min al Hindi. Are you with me? Same thing when you say huwa min al Hindi. These are all jumla ismiya. Are you with me? And you are using mubtada and khabar. Khabar is jar majrur, shibu jumla. Okay, fine, brothers and sisters. And then Aina zahaba Abbasun. Where did Abbas go? Where did he go? No. Then you have to use zahaba only, Brother Abdus Samad. Aina zahaba Abbasun. The correct answer will be zahaba ilal mudiri. Ilal mudiri. So what kind of a sentence is now zahaba ilal mudiri? Verbal sentence. Fi'al and fa'il. Fa'il is mustatir. Hidden. Very good. Zahaba aliyun ilal mudiri? La. What will be your answer? Zahaba ilal mirhadi. No, you can use huwa. It's not wrong. But better is we don't use it. Because already the huwa is inside the verb. So you will say, Brother Muhammad, Zahaba ilal mirhadi. Correct, brother? Zahaba ilal mirhadi. Correct? Are you with me, sisters? Is it clear, Sister Faiza? Fatima? InshaAllah? Okay. Ikra waktub ma dabti awakhir al kalimati. Okay, brother? This is very easy. A good practice. If the noun is in its natural form, what is it, brothers and sisters? Marfu. It only changes into majroor or mansub when there is something in front of it. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. What is the first noun? Al-ghurfatu. Al-ghurfatu. Next one, brothers? Min al-ghurfati. Okay. Next one? Min al-hammami. Okay. And then next one? Al-mirhadu. Toilet. Ilal mirhadi. See, now your mind is working and it is giving it kasra. It is making it majroor. See, you will get used to it, brother, inshallah. So much so that you will enjoy reading Qur'an and reciting and listening because your now mind is following everything, inshallah. Okay. And next one, brothers and sisters? Al-yabanu. Next one? Al-Filibinu. Filibinu. Okay. Next one, brother? Minal Hindi. Sisters, next one? Ila Sini. What is the meaning of Minal Hindi? From India. What is the meaning of Ila Sini? To China. Very good, brother. Ikra waktub. Now read and write. Again I say to you, brothers and sisters, no vowel signs. Because Dr. Abdul Rahim thinks that you have become now experts. And inshallah we'll do correctly. Slowly you'll get used to reading, inshallah, without vowel signs, inshallah. Fine, brothers and sisters. What is the first sentence? Min aina Fatimatu. How will you translate? From where is Fatima? Min aina Fatimatu. From where is Fatima? Fatima. What is the answer? Hiya min al-Hind. We did not say Fatima too because we don't want to repeat noun. Now we are using pronoun. Hiya min al-Hindi. What kind of a sentence is this? No, there is no verb here. Nominal sentence. Jumla ismiya. Brother, I will point out to you, you have to give me an answer. Because that way you will start thinking harder, inshallah. What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla ismiya, nominal. No, okay. So what are we looking for? Mubtada. Where is mubtada? Here. Where is the khabar? Min al-Hindi. Jar majroor. Shibu jumla. We will only say shibu jumla when the khabar is shibu jumla. Otherwise we will only say jar majroor. Okay, fine. Next sentence, brother. Kharajal mudarrisu min al-fasli wa dhahaba ila al-mudir. What kind of a sentence is this? Verbal sentence. Where is the verb? Where is the file?
No, mustatir.
Mudarrisu. Mudarrisu. Okay, now let me tell you something. If you made a mistake, brother, it's normal. I made so many mistakes when I was learning, you know. MashaAllah, you are doing great. Brother, here I have written, I put 2 stars. Do you see, brother?
Yes.
I have put 2 stars in kharaja and kharajat. In there I have put 2 stars. Okay? Now, in these 2 forms of verb, huwa and here, the file can be mustatir or can be present in the sentence. Are you with me? What did I say? The file can be mustatir or it can be present in the sentence. So we have to look into the sentence properly. How do you know that something is file? There is another thing coming up. Because it will always be dun. What does it mean? It will always be marfu. So here is another reason for us to figure out the file. As we said before, mubtada always marfu. Khabar, if it is one word, marfu. If it is a file, it is always marfu. Always marfu. Are you with me? Because see the pronouns, those are coming as a file, they are all marfu. These are the pronouns. Are you with me? All the pronouns which come as a file in the sentence, they are all, will you please remember it? They are all marfu. And if the file is stated in the sentence, and it will only be stated if the verb is huwa or here, if it is stated, then it will have at the end of it, what will have, the file will have at the end of it? Dhamma. Because it is always marfu. That rule you have to remember now. You will remember this rule, Salma, that fi'al, if the file is mentioned, it is always marfu. Marfu. Always marfu. Okay, what is here? Dhahaba, kharajal mudarri su. Okay, brother, I want you to change it. And change it into Muhammad. How will you say kharaja Muhammadun? Change it into Hamid. Kharaja Hamid. Make it into a doctor. Kharajat tabi bu. At tabibu. Okay? Because file is also definite. Somebody left, you know. Okay? Okay. Make it engineer. Kharaja Muhandi su. Make it a businessman. Kharajat taji ru. Are you with me? Now let us make it a muannas. What will you say? Fatima went out of the room. What will you say? Kharajat. Kharajat Fatima tu. Let us make Amina went to the masjid. Then we have to use Zahaba. Okay? Use Zahaba now. Amina went to the masjid. Zahabat Amina tu. Are you with me, Sister Naima? Aminatu. I'm just trying to emphasize that the file will be marfu. Marfu, always marfu. Always marfu. Okay? Okay. Zainab went to the market. Zahabat Zainabu ila suki. Okay. Zainab went to Yorkdale. How will you say? Zahabat Zainabu ila suk Yorkdale. Okay? Okay, Zahabat. Okay. Ali went to the masjid. Zahaba Aliyun ila al-masjid. Masjidi. MashaAllah, masjidi. Correct. Okay. Jamia, university. Amina went to the university. Went. Zahabat Amina tu ila al-jamiyati. Are you with me? School, madrasa. Okay? Khadija went to the school. So what will you say? Zahabat Khadija tu ila al-madrasati. Are you with me? So you see, you are now making sentences now. Okay. Salma went home. Zahabat Salma ila al-bayti. Okay. Abir went home. Zahabat Abiru ila al-bayti. Okay. Muhammad went to the hospital. What is hospital? Mustashfa. So what will you say? Zahaba Muhammadun ila al-mustashfa. Are you with me? Okay. Mustashfa. This is a new word. I just thought about it. We will study later on, brother. Mustashfa. Hospital. Okay. You're right, but it is not, and we will learn, inshallah. Your question is correct, Sister Salma, but this is a different kind of a noun. There are some different kind of a noun. They do not behave normally, and we will be learning it, inshallah. Are you with me, brother? Inshallah. The merchant went to the store. Brother, I will be doing it slowly. Slowly, brother. We will build our house of Arabic. Inshallah. And what will happen, brother, even though it's kind of a tough in the beginning to comprehend everything, but don't worry. If you make mistakes, do not, be distressed. Because inshallah next day you will get it. You will get it next day, inshallah. Okay? So, but my point is that if I stress to you that whenever there is a verb, look for a file, it will make things very easy for you later on. It will make things very easy for you. Instead of just simply translating. If you just simply translate, you will not go deeper into the sentence. But I want to go deeper into the sentence. Inshallah, we'll